catch me if I fall.
Welcome to Future Tech Fusion, your gateway to unravel the mysteries of the universe and the cutting edge of technology. Today, we are embarking on a quest that will challenge our understanding of our place in the cosmos. NASA, the beacon of human space exploration, stands under the spotlight as we delve into the whispers and rumors of an alien cover-up. Are we alone in the universe? Or is there a truth far more complex and astounding, carefully veiled from our eyes? Buckle up as we dive deep into the annals of space exploration, analyzing intriguing anomalies, unexplained signals, and cryptic confessions. This is NASA's alien cover-up, unveiling the truth. Remember, we are merely presenting the facts and the theories. The conclusions, dear viewers, are yours to draw. Let the journey begin. Is NASA covering up evidence of extraterrestrial life? Could there be more to the universe than what we are led to believe? These are the compelling questions that have been swirling around for years, casting doubt on what we know, or rather what we think we know about our place in the cosmos. Let's start with Mars, a planet that's been in the spotlight for its strange anomalies. We've seen structures that bear an uncanny resemblance to the face on Mars, complex formations that mirror pyramids, and even something that looks eerily like a dinosaur skull. Are these artificial? Or are they just tricks of the eye, illusions shaped by the winds of Mars? And why do some of the photos seem edited? Then we have the signals, mysterious sounds from the depths of space. The WOW signal that was picked up in 1977 still remains unexplained. And it's not alone. There have been more signals since, some of which could even be intelligently created. Is NASA keeping the truth under wraps? Let's not forget the millions that NASA's budget includes for the prevention of alien contamination. Why allocate such a significant sum if they haven't found any trace of life beyond Earth? And how about the redaction of the Apollo 11 mission transcripts? Those cryptic conversations about unidentified objects, and the admission of an ex-NASA chief that they may have indeed been UFOs. What are they not telling us? The Mars meteorite controversy is another curveball. Possible microbial fossils found in 1996, only to be dismissed later. Was the evidence conveniently buried? We've heard testimonies from NASA employees about potential cover-ups of alien evidence. Some have even made deathbed confessions. And let's not discount the strange behavior of astronauts on missions, like Buzz Aldrin's cryptic warnings. This video will dive deep into these questions and anomalies. We'll explore the enigma of extraterrestrial existence and NASA's potential role in keeping it under wraps. But remember, the conclusions are yours to draw. This video will dive deep into these questions and anomalies, and you can draw your own conclusions. The red planet Mars has been a subject of intense scrutiny, but have we seen everything there is to see? Mars, our rusty red neighbor, has long been a source of fascination and intrigue. Its barren landscapes and intriguing anomalies have sparked countless theories, debates, and more than a few wild speculations. Among these, the face on Mars stands as one of the most captivating. Discovered in a Viking orbiter image from the mid-70s, this mile-long mesa bears an uncanny resemblance to a human face. Could this be the work of extraterrestrial architects, or is it merely a case of pareidolia, where our brains trick us into seeing familiar patterns where none exist? But the face on Mars is not the only enigma. Mars is also home to structures that eerily resemble pyramids, huddled together in a complex that could almost pass for a city skyline. These formations, found in the Cydonia region, have been the subject of intense debate. While some argue they're just oddly shaped hills, others believe they're artificial constructs, remnants of an ancient Martian civilization. And then there's the matter of the strangely edited photos. Numerous images released by NASA appear to have been altered or obscured in some way. Why would this be? Could it be that these photos contained evidence of something that NASA didn't want us to see? Or are these alterations just the result of image processing techniques, applied to enhance the visibility of certain features? In a world where we're constantly seeking answers, Mars presents a tantalizing enigma. The evidence is compelling, but it is also frustratingly inconclusive. We're left with a planet that is equal parts fascinating and baffling, a world that seems to be hiding its secrets just out of reach. Could these structures be artificial, or are they just unusual geological formations? And why the strange editing? As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we may yet uncover the truth hidden in these Martian mysteries. In 1977, a signal from deep space was picked up. It remains unexplained to this day. This signal, known as the WOW signal, is one of the most intriguing mysteries of space exploration. It was a strong, narrowband radio signal picked up by Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope. What's fascinating is that the signal bore the expected hallmarks of non-terrestrial and non-solar system origin. The signal lasted for a full 72 seconds, the full duration that Big Ear observed it, but has not been detected since, despite several dedicated searches. The name WOW came from the astonished reaction of the scientist who first noticed it on the printouts. He circled the reading and wrote "Wow" next to it. Since then, there have been more signals, some bearing striking similarities to the WOW signal. These signals, like the fast radio bursts or FRBs, are short, intense flashes of radio waves that, like the WOW signal, seem to come from outside our galaxy. Are these signals just cosmic noise, or could they be intelligently created? The question becomes even more intriguing when we consider that NASA and other space agencies have yet to provide a definitive explanation for these signals. They've offered theories from rotating neutron stars to black hole activity, but nothing concrete. Now, it's not for us to say that these signals are definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, but we have to ask, is it possible that NASA knows more than they're telling us? Could these signals be evidence of intelligent life trying to communicate with us, or are they just random, cosmic noise? In the vastness of space, these signals are like whispers in the wind, fleeting and mysterious. Yet they're persistent, like echoes from the cosmos. They're a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet, and a testament to the enduring human desire to explore the unknown. Could these signals be an attempt at communication from an alien civilization, or are they just cosmic noise? It's a question that continues to echo, much like the signals themselves, in the wide expanse of the cosmos. Why does NASA's budget include millions for prevention of alien contamination if they haven't found life? Isn't that a question worth pondering? It's like buying insurance for a car you don't own or a house you don't live in. Something seems out of place, right? Let's delve into this further. The Apollo 11 mission transcripts, a treasure trove of scientific data, a historical artifact, and a source of endless speculation. Buried within these transcripts, we find mentions of unidentified objects. Not just any objects, mind you, but objects that had no business being where they were. And then the redactions. Lines of text, conversations just wiped clean. Why? What was so sensitive that it had to be hidden away from public eyes? Could it be that these unidentified objects were more than mere space debris? Now let's take a moment to remember the ex-NASA chief's admission. A confession that these unidentified objects may have, in fact, been UFOs. Yes, you heard that right. UFOs. Unidentified flying objects. Not necessarily extraterrestrial, but unidentified, unexplained. A puzzle piece that doesn't fit into our understanding of the universe. But why admit this? Why now? Could it be an attempt to control the narrative, to manage the flow of information? Or is it an honest admission, a glimpse into the unknown that NASA has been grappling with? Now let's circle back to the initial question. Why does NASA's budget include millions for prevention of alien contamination? Is it because they've found something they're not sharing? Or is it just a safety measure, a precaution for the unknown? The answers aren't clear. The evidence, however, is compelling. It paints a picture of secrets and mysteries, of questions unanswered, and of a space agency that might know more than it's willing to reveal. Is this a sign that NASA knows more than it's letting on, or is it just prudent planning? Only time will tell. For now, we're left with the intrigue, the mystery, and the endless possibilities of what lies beyond our planet. Testimonies from ex-NASA employees suggest a cover-up of evidence of alien life. But how credible are these claims? Let's delve into one of the most compelling pieces of evidence, the Mars meteorite controversy. In 1996, a Martian meteorite was discovered that seemed to contain what looked like microbial fossils. Could this have been the first tangible proof of life beyond Earth? Yet, After an initial flurry of excitement, the evidence was dismissed and the meteorite was largely forgotten. Was this a genuine scientific conclusion or a deliberate burying of evidence? Now, let's turn our attention to the whistleblowers. Over the years, several ex-NASA employees have come forward with claims that the agency is actively suppressing evidence of extraterrestrial life. These testimonies range from allegations of photo manipulation to stories of unidentified flying objects during missions to the withholding of information about mysterious signals from deep space. One of the most intriguing aspects of these whistleblower accounts is the phenomenon of deathbed confessions. These are deeply personal, often emotional revelations made by individuals who believe they have nothing left to lose. Some former NASA employees have used these poignant moments to reveal what they claim to be the truth about NASA and extraterrestrial life. But we must ask ourselves, why would someone lie on their deathbed? However, just as we consider these testimonies, we must also question their credibility. Could these accounts be the result of misinterpretation or exaggeration? Or perhaps they are simply the product of a desire for attention or a need to feel important? In the world of whistleblowers and conspiracy theories, the line between fact and fiction can sometimes blur. It's crucial to approach these claims with a healthy dose of skepticism, while also keeping an open mind. Could these testimonies be the smoking gun proving the existence of extraterrestrial life, or are they just the ramblings of conspiracy theorists? The answer, it seems, lies in the eye of the beholder. The evidence and testimonies we've discussed are compelling, but what does it all mean? We've heard tales of bizarre structures on Mars, unexplained signals from deep space, and first-hand accounts from ex-NASA employees. We've questioned the redaction of mission transcripts and the strange behavior of astronauts. All these factors point to a possible cover-up. Is NASA hiding evidence of alien life, or is this all just a conspiracy theory? You decide. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the cosmos. The universe is vast and full of mysteries yet to be unveiled. We've traversed through the enigma of extraterrestrial existence, pondered about the secrets a distant planet might hold, and questioned the validity of what we've been told. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. In the grand scheme of things, we are just beginning to scratch the surface. The cosmos holds infinite possibilities, and we will continue to explore them together. If you enjoyed this galactic journey and are eager to keep exploring with us, don't forget to subscribe to Future Tech Fusion. Your support helps us delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe and bring you the most fascinating discoveries. So, until next time, keep looking up and remain curious. The universe is waiting.